Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy unbagging for March. The bag is pretty cute this month. It's black and white. Has all different people's faces, different hairstyles. And then there's markers inside that you can color it in. So there's an orange one and a green one, which I thought was pretty cool. And the first item couldn't fit in the bag, so they have it on the outside. It's a fan brush. It's absolutely beautiful. Has an ombre effect. Goes from blue, purple, pink. Love that item. Very happy to have that. Inside the bag, it just says Create. And then, let's see what I got. The first thing I'm pulling out is from Benefit, Bad Girl Bang. I did get this last month. I guess I got it with Birchbox. It's their new mascara. I didn't really care for it, which is heartbreaking because I really like Benefit's mascara. But that is what the wand looks like. I'll have to give it another try, quite honestly. I only used it like once or twice, so I will give that another shot. Then I also got, is it Twilatrue? True Renewal Oil with Pure Power Complex, fragrance free. So just put a few drops into the palm of your hands and use on dry areas. I like the bottle. Yep, doesn't have any kind of smell to it, but the bottle feels interesting. It almost reminds me of like a hairspray can. It's got like a, I don't even know. Is that weird? That's probably weird. Sorry. Don't really know how to describe that container. But the next thing says Glossier Mintbalm.com. Ooh, I love mint. Yep, has a very light mint smell. It's really nice and thick. I'm gonna love that, I already know. And the very last item in the bag is, what is this? Another Tarte item, Sex Kitten. Cute. It's a little eyeliner pencil. So I got 2 Tarte items in my bag. That's pretty awesome. So that's what I got for this month. If you want to see what came in my Birchbox, I will link it below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.